How would you like to earn passive income from just holding your balance just like this? Look at all of these transactions right here, guys, that are pending at the moment, but you can already see they're in a process of actually getting sent over to the user account. So I'm going to show you a brand new website that I'm starting to use right now and test myself to show you guys proof that this is actually working, and it's going to start to make you some passive income from just holding a balance. And I'm going to show you how I can actually get started for free in today's video. So make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end, because by the end of this video I'm also going to show you my #1 recommended method on making money online right now, guys. So make sure you stay to the end of this video, and on top of that, let's get started with this method. So this is the website right here, guys. It is called StakeCube, and I'm going to be leaving the links down in the description of this video to make sure you get the actual website instead of going to like a scamming website, guys. And eventually with any site like this, they do eventually scam out, but this one's kind of something different, and I'm going to explain to you why I feel like this is going to last for I would say quite some time. I'm not going to say for years, possibly just only months, or maybe even more than years, guys, but I'm going to just explain to you why I'm using this website and the reason that I think it's actually worth using this. So as you can see right here, guys, I have this wallet. I just got through signing up and I sent over some crypto. So I sent over crypto in StakeCube coin and in Turbo. So the reasons why I've sent over crypto to this is because I want to see if it's actually working. And let's get started at the beginning of this method, guys. So here it is. So let's say you signed up for StakeCube. You're gonna get a 0 balance on this. You're gonna have nothing inside of any of your wallets, so it's gonna be empty. You have to come over here to adding the wallet in order to send over some crypto. Or if you want to earn crypto for free on this site, come over here to the community tab where it says voting right there, guys. So it says voting, future voting, and voting log and faucets. This is where we're gonna go and get some free crypto, guys. I recently just did this last night, and you might see some of these that are empty, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So we have some faucets here. You're just gonna click on these without doing any captcha. It's gonna say claim, 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 claim. Do this once a day so you can actually start to build your account for free and start to earn passive income from it. Now the cool thing about this website, guys, it's community based. So whenever you people make crypto for free from staking or from the interest, and I'm going to show you that in a bit, you can actually donate to these addresses, which is going to fill up the faucet for new users, and so it can stay like filled. So this one right here says premium faucets, self-refilling faucets. So as soon as you deposit some donations inside of this, then it's going to come over here to the actual faucet balance, and then people, brand new people or yourself, can actually come back and claim it again, so it can keep the cycle going. And we have these right here too, community faucets filled only by donations. So this one is filled by the admin and donations. This one is only donations alone, so people can come in from after staking and actually earning some free crypto from the site itself. And if they are wanting to donate some money, they can come in here and put in that amount of crypto that they want to donate and send it over, and it's going to fill in the balance or the faucet balance, and then we can start to play these faucets as a community, guys. So this is a really interesting way to make money online with this website for free. Now let's come back over here to the wallets real quick, because there's a lot of different ways you can actually earn with this one site alone. So let's say we come over here and we want to start to earn money in Bitcoin. Well, at the moment, there's only one way to earn money with this, and it's through interest. So if you deposit some Bitcoin in here, you're going to get a percentage down here at the bottom, guys, and you can see the pool size and the share size right there. So if you deposit some, you're going to get a percentage every single day from just holding Bitcoin inside of this account. So that is the only way you can earn with Bitcoin. Now with every other currency, you can earn different methods, guys. So look at this. So we have right here, we have masternodes we can earn from. So if you have over, I think, 1,000, you can actually click on this button right here, or click on this right here, guys. So let's click on StakeCube coin. So once we have done that, it's going to lead us to a page just like this one. You're going to get your earnings for the yesterday. So I recently just did this last night, so I'm going to give you guys an updated video or updated community post as soon as I get my first earnings from this, from just holding this currency. And if you scroll down just a tiny bit, you can come down here and see how many nodes are running, and also you can see the pool size, guys. So if you come down just a tiny bit, it says balance breakdown, available locked in master nodes and open orders. It says settings, auto reinvest, auto sell. So you have the option of making this passive and just keep on compounding for you within this one website by holding masternodes. So this is something really interesting about this website, guys, that it's pretty much passive all the way around just by holding this, and it seems more like a community type of platform. So as long as there is a community inside of this, I believe it's going to stay being around. So you can see how much people are actually using this one right here, Turbo. And this is the reason why I chose Turbo out of any of these, because it has a longer number, or the bigger number right here. I just wanted to see what it would do, guys. So I put in, I think, $7 inside of this platform, or inside of this coin, and I put another, I guess it says $1 20 cents USD value, which I don't think that's right, but I actually put in some more money inside of Turbo, so you can see that right there. So I'm just gonna let this play out until tomorrow and see if I actually earn some money from staking it, or if I earn some money from holding it inside of masternodes, which I don't think I can do at the moment through Turbo. So this is a really interesting website, guys. Just stick to it, and I'm going to show you my updated withdrawal, or updated balance as soon as I start to earn some money from this. And again, I just recently did this last night around 12 or 11 o'clock at night, so I'm going to keep testing this out, testing out different methods to see which is going to pay more. And there's also other ways to actually earn money on this, which is through the mining cube proof of work. So you come over here, you purchase these giga hashes right here. So you use credits to buy mining power to generate Bitcoin. Payouts is sent directly to your StakeCube account once per day, and you're going to get a 5% fee. The mining share rate has no contract duration. It is assigned to your account. The price of gigahashes is paid out once, no recurring costs. So you see that right there, guys. You can purchase these credits, and then within these credits you're going to get around 100 gigahashes, and then you can actually see how much you can earn every single day in Bitcoin value from this every single day, guys. And these are all the contracts. I believe that is from the admin itself to help us out, showing us his type of software, or the type of hardware it's using in order to actually mine for us. And you can also come over here and see your mining address at the moment. So this is a really interesting way to actually earn on here as well. You have Dash, and pretty soon they're gonna have a web miner. So that's really interesting, guys. Now we have StakeCube coin right there, so you can actually stake Cube coin and start to make passive income that way. So if you come over here, you can see the stake.me free reduction base. So you're gonna get right here is some more cryptocurrency affiliate bonus rate, exchange fee deduction, daily interest bonus is 0.02, plus a bonus per SCC. So you can see all of that information from just holding and staking the actual StakeCube coin itself. You can add in the actual stuff right here, guys. So masternode public address and the signature for staking this cryptocurrency. And you can also come over here to the community, voting for different currencies to actually get put on the wallet. You can actually come over here and play games and earn even more staking coins from this as well. So you can see the jackpot is 4 staking coins for playing this. Flappy Bird, Snake, Tetris, Pac-Man, and even doing the loyalty bonus, or the loyalty game right there. So there's different ways you can actually earn money from this one website, and it seems more like a community based website. It is not hosted really by like an admin in a way, I would say, just because everything it involves is a community, guys. You can actually exchange different coins to actually earn and get other coins to actually start to stake automatically as well. They even have masternodes, they even have shared nodes. This is a really all-in-one wallet that I would recommend you guys getting started with if you're interested in staking and earning interest from these currencies right here at the moment. And again, this could scam out eventually, guys, so just be aware of that. Do not leave all of your money inside of this. I'm just testing it out to see how it is, and I'm just going to leave like a quarter of my wallet inside of this account to see and run it and just gain interest from it to see if it's really profitable at the end of the day, which it is, because it is passive income just getting put back into my wallet over and over and over and over again. So this is a new website, and again, the link is going to be down in the description of this video, so you can get started making some money today. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. what do? You jump straight up, and you wonder what
So
the
as
heck
you guys
just
can
happened.
hear that volume, any
Well,
background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.